be like, I gotta take these off. It's probably my biggest thing. This is the first hairstyle. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be giving y'all the inside scoop or the pros and cons of these headphones. I'm also gonna be doing some hairstyles that'll be easy access for your headphones to go on top of them. So let's get started. I'm excited. There's a lot of controversy around these headphones because they are so expensive. They are very expensive. They're over $500, I want to say, but you probably know that if you're watching this video. Let's start with the first hairstyle. On all of these hairstyles, I'm going to be leaving kind of like this front part flat. The first thing is they connect so good with Apple product devices if your device is updated. So if your computer is updated, if your phone is updated. The reason why I got the AirPod Pro Maxes is because I've gotten a lot of new Apple products, and I love like how good different devices within Apple connect to each other. So I was like, I wanted them anyway, but I really wanted them to connect very easily to different like MacBooks and different I just wanted it to be really easy. Once you do your ponytails at the front of your head, make sure to leave a piece out, and you can even try on your headphones just to see like if it's gonna fit. And if you can see, mine does. Sometimes I'll even just do it while my headphones are on like this. I do have to say they pretty much connect to devices pretty easily, even if you're going back from your phone to your computer. But the other night, literally yesterday, I was using them. For some reason it wouldn't connect, and it was making me very frustrated. So I disconnected them. I put like forget this device, and it still would not connect. And I looked it up and it was saying try updating your device, and I was like, what? I need an update? So I looked on there and I actually did need an update. So I just downloaded the update instead of actually updating it, and there it just connected easily. And I'm like, are you freaking kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? And this is the first hairstyle. You can curl this hair too. I'm just not doing it today. Okay, so the next thing is that they are noise canceling, but I don't know if they're the best. This next hairstyle is going to be for the people who don't really care if they're trapped. Like if you wear headphones a lot. Also, you can easily take this down because it's just like a ponytail. It's probably the easiest part. You just take this elastic right here off and it'll release you basically, and you can put them back up when you take your headphones off. You grab a piece of hair, put it in a rubber band. It could be any color rubber band. Grab another section of hair, but you put it with this first section. So you group them all together and do another rubber band. You grab it all together, get a real actual elastic band, and make a ponytail. And this can actually end up being a ponytail if that's what you want, but I like a little spice. So I usually just hold it like this while it's still in ponytail form. Pull it just a little bit like I'm doing an upside down bun, but I leave some hair out like that. Like that. It looks like this. These earphones are definitely noise canceling. I don't know if they're the best. When I was actually at the store contemplating on Sony versus these, I felt like Sony had a little bit better noise canceling and these didn't. Like if you try them on in the store is probably gonna be loud. It's actually the best place to try out headphones, and if you feel like Sony is better and that's your top priority, then I think you should get those, because these, I love them to death. The building that I work in is very noisy, and sometimes I take them at lunch and I still can kind of hear a little bit of noise from the outside. So if that's gonna make you mad, probably shouldn't get these. These headphones are not compact at all. This is pretty much all it does is go like this, and here's the case, and it's literally like this. So if you're a person who travels a lot and that's a problem for you, I don't know, but they are very aesthetically pleasing. Next hairstyle, we're gonna have like two bangs out this. And honestly, just having the headphones on kind of helped guide me. Shouldn't do like 2 curls in the front. You don't have to do the curl. I'm just doing it because it adds a little character. Well, I did this one kind of higher. I'm not about to change it though. This hair is going to be pushed back, but for this hairstyle, I'm going to use a ribbon. You see the hair right here. I'm just going to take this ribbon, put it underneath a little bit of this hair, and tie it into a bow. Literally that easy. Okay, and this is how it turns out. I should have did it. I should have curled them the other way, like this way.
Don't forget,
I'm literally just a girl. The compactness for me, it doesn't get on my nerves as much, even though I do use these a lot at work and I do travel with these a lot. I thought that it would, but I don't know. I just carry them around like a little purse. Like, hey, if you are somebody that does travel a lot, you may not be. So you gotta figure that out. I don't know, but I'm okay with it. Okay, so the last thing is that they are very heavy duty, but they are heavy. Also, this is like really great because it fits a lot of head sizes, and I understand why it needs to come to the extent of it touching each other, but because it does touch each other, it kind of presses my ears in a little bit, and it gives me ear headache. I get ear fatigue. I wear these for hours because I'm doing a lot of editing. I'm doing a lot of stuff with now, watching videos, researching stuff. I get so, my ears just get so freaking tired, bruh. Like, I'd be like, I gotta take these off. But that's probably my biggest thing with these headphones. I don't know if I've ever worn any headphones that I don't get ear fatigue with. So if you have, please let me know what they are. For this last hairstyle, 2 buns, like bangs on the side, and it looks like this. And my camera's about to die, but I like how this mimics the, so try to keep it as low as the actual headphone. I think that is so cute. It's just like, when it comes to getting these Apple headphones, they are very expensive. I was contemplating between a lot of them because of the price, but my coworkers, thank goodness for them, because I was telling them I was contemplating, and they were like, just get the ones you want, like, because either way, if you get the ones that you don't want, you're gonna be upset. And these were ultimately the ones that I wanted. I didn't have any, like, for example, some people may really want noise canceling, or they may really want, what else, like a lightweight earphone. I didn't have anything that I really wanted other than the AirPod Pro Maxes. Like, I just been wanting them for a really long time. So if you're like me and you just want them, then I think that you should save up for them, get them if you have the money for it. If you do want to prioritize noise canceling, I think you should kind of look somewhere else. If you want to prioritize the weight, look somewhere else. If you're prioritizing the price, definitely look somewhere else. It just kind of depends on your priorities, so keep that in mind. But thank you so much for watching. My camera is literally on 0. Try them on before you buy them. Try them on in the store, try them on in the Apple store, try them on in the Best Buy. I really don't have a lot of complaints when it comes to these headphones. I ain't gonna lie, they're pretty good, and I'm really happy with even how much I pay for them. So